This is Andre Banks coming today from Banks Credit Chat discussing Exeter car loan car loans. Exeter is a company that I wasn't familiar with. It's been around for a little bit, and I've only heard about it recently from a couple people came back to me and talked about their experience having working with this company. And of course, I started doing my own due diligence and finding out just information from them. They claim that they make it easier for anyone who's suffering from bad credit. They can get you into a car loan. And they have extension terms if you find yourself falling behind, which then lets a lot of people to go looking for them, especially if you find yourself in a tough situation. Single mothers, people who just have bad credit in general. Anyone desperate enough to lose this company, I'm putting out a warning that you should, at all costs, if you can, avoid them. One is that they have the highest interest rates in the industry. We're talking about between 20 to 35%, and this is this is 20 to 35% APR. Again, their claim to fame is they're where to help. We'll take anybody, and it's just the tactics, and they're really not explaining all the ins and outs of what it happens to be when you're taking on a loan with them. If you're dealing with someone who has 20 to 35% interest rates, I mean, I know you're in a tough situation, but you got to find a better place. That's just one of their big hiccups. Second is their extension loan terms. So if you find yourself behind, they will give you an extension, but the fees are astronomical. And in one incident, this individual was able to pay off the loan. The initial aspect found out they owed another $5,000 from additional fees and other interest that was packed on. And when they did fall behind on this particular loan, the payments were pushed back and added to the loan as well with additional fees. Also, what I found out that 50% of their customers are in the default status. That's 3 payments behind. This company is, just to say anything, I don't have anything good to say about it. It's just that due to times that we're in, and the repossessions are going through the roof, and lenders are not providing loan terms for even for regular places, you're going to have more companies like Exeter come into play. Exeter, again, the interest rate stands from 20 to 35%. They claim that we're here to help. That the help is made something that you probably do not want. If you do fall behind, they do have an extension. The interest charges, and it's extremely expensive, and it's just costly. Even if you pay off the loan, there's additional fees that come in play. Again, I mentioned before, their extensions, and they have 50% default rate. 50% of their customers are in the default rate status, meaning they're 3 payments behind. Again, they'll keep extending you. We're on to that point. Try to avoid them at all costs. But I know times are desperate and people are looking for companies. Exeter is not one that you should go to. If this video has been any value to you, please subscribe, leave some comments. To the next video for Banks Credit Chat. I'm out.